PXN just sent me their CB1 controller, and this is actually pretty cool. We're just going to do a little unboxing and overview here, so let's check out what's in the box. In the box, you are going to get an instruction manual, which you can see right here. You will get a little bag with an Allen wrench and some screws and nuts and bolts and thingy dingies. It comes with a nice metal desk mount, which you can see right here. So there it is, there it is, there it is. And you're also going to get a USB-C cable and a regular USB cable in the box as well. And here's a nice little look at the unit itself. It does have 30 programmable buttons. It does have programmable RGB lighting, so you can change the lighting the way you want, and this is compatible with a lot of different PC games. They say this is made with an industrial grade ABS panel, and this thing should last you a really long time. It should be extremely durable, and they've designed it for longevity. When you have this unit attached to the wheelbase, there's going to be a rotary knob where you can adjust the brightness and the color, and there's going to be 7 different programmable lighting effects. The description says all of the contact points are made out of metal for excellent conductivity and wear resistance. Alright, so this seems like a very well made, nice control box. This is PC compatible only. It doesn't look like this works on PlayStation or anything like that, but if you have a PC and you're looking for something to step up your sim racing setup a little bit, this might be something to consider. Now, me personally, I'm very happy with the wheel and the set of pedals, but hey, if you want a little more, this will do it to it right there. I will put a link in the video's description and the pinned comment where you can get one of these and all of that good stuff. So if you're interested in checking this out, click those links and we will catch you next time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. And yeah, thanks for watching my video.
Thanks for watching my video. I hate to say, but it's time to go. Maybe you could watch another one. That might be really fun. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks for watching you. Thanks for watching my video.